unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Dextromethorphan, found in some cough syrups, can alter brain chemistry and cause hallucinations or impaired judgment when abused. While it doesn't literally cause overwiring, long-term misuse may disrupt normal brain function and increase cognitive risks. Always use cough syrup as directed to protect your brain and avoid serious side effects.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.